Namaskar friends. Let's have a scale with us. You can see on the one side of scale we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The small markings are there. So this is nothing but centimeters. Whereas on the other hand we have large scales 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but inches. So let's take the information about the centimeter and its relation. So 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 we have small 10 parts. If we will count, we will get 10 parts. So that the small one unit is known as 1 millimeter. 10 parts. Between 1 centimeter there are 10 parts. So 10 millimeters is equal to how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Now let's take the meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When we convert this centimeter into millimeters, so we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10. So we will multiply this 100 with 10. 100 with 10. We will get here 1000 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer. Whenever we travel by road, so you must have seen the landmarks. So and so city or village is about 25 or any number kilometer away. So whenever we measure the distance between two cities, two villages, or respective distance is measured in kilometer. So kilometer is the unit used for the longer distance, whereas millimeter is the distance used for the shorter, very short distance. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. On conversion from meter to centimeter, we have already 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So let's multiply this 1000 with 100. So we will get the answer in centimeter. So this is the centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This is the 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. 1 lakh centimeter. Now let's convert in millimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1. So multiplied by 10. So we have 1 kilometer is equal to this much of millimeters. One kilometer is equal to 10 lakh millimeter, mm. Same way we have milligram, gram and kilogram. 10 milligram is nothing but 1 centigram. 1 gram is equal to 100 centigram. 100 centigram multiply by 10, we will get milligrams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Kilogram. Students, when we go to the market to purchase vegetables, fruits, anything, we will demand, or we will get the rate in terms of kilograms only. Means whatever vegetables we will purchase in terms of kilograms. But have you heard this milligrams or grams? Yes, when we go to the jeweler's shop to purchase gold, silver, we purchase in terms of grams and milligrams. Have you noticed any any medicine box, or if you look on the medicine box, the contents, so the contents are in terms of milligrams. Whatever, if you are taking, so for example, crocin tablet, so crocin 500 means there is a 500 milligram of that chemical, means crocin, paracetamol. The crocin contains the chemical paracetamol, so that 500 milligrams of paracetamol is there in one tablet. So milligrams and grams used in medicine as well as in jewelry shop, and where the perfect measurement is required. So very small perfect measurement in terms of weight required. 1 kilogram, we know that 1000 grams. 1000, let's convert grams into centigrams. So 1000 into 100 is centigrams. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 lakh centigrams multiplied by 10, we will get 10 lakhs milligrams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 10 lakh milligram. Same way, take the quantity liters. 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centiliter. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter. 100, when we multiply with 10, we will get milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 kiloliter is nothing but 1000 liters. 1000, when we multiply with 100, we will get centiliters. 3 4 5 10 lakh milliliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 lakh milliliters.